New just listed home, 6420 92nd Place, Unit 1202, Pinellas Park, Florida. By Terrace Cooper and Tracy Cooper from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home on 1,190 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the bright living area opens to a private balcony, flowing into a modern kitchen with granite counters and brand new appliances. The layout hosts a spacious primary bedroom and a comfortable second bedroom on the 3rd floor. These are served by a stylishly updated full bathroom with a designer vanity and a convenient half bath. Outdoors, enjoy a community pool and green space. Contact us and make it yours.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.